Now I go down.
Give it. I need to do my job.
Oh yeah, it's because I shot you with my crossbow in the middle of the way, bro. Bro, I have a crossbow. I need a crossbow.
Somebody give me
I could do a naked one with no irons. I have to find irons, try to use them. And last time I tried to get a single orb. Now my grabber. Okay, how much we got from last time? Okay, that. Oh, 1,900. Okay, we just go. We just go put this. Oh, it right there. Oh, I put it inside of there. It right there. Okay. This backpack has 1 gold in it. Okay, let's do it that naked one. There's no irons. We just gonna go to sewer. We're gonna just go to the secret orb we found last time. But doing this was naked. If I find irons, I take them and I use them. First, I got an iron. I hate those chickens. I hate when they follow me and try to eat me. When I get onto them, then call me. Okay. And on that chicken. It just keep running. I'm able to run a little bit faster with this. I'm able to run faster here. Okay, we got this. It doesn't come. Oh my god. Our first item is the Doom. It gone. To get it back, I'm going to do that. Okay. We got so much. Please, guys. Please, I just need 1 iron. Only this that iron I could buy. Only this one. Because I don't need to be naked without this iron. I have to be naked with this iron. If I be naked without this iron, I cannot mine. And I don't have time for that. I have to mine like real. Now enough us right is gone. Oh, and now God. I hate that chickens chasing me. Oh my god, we have to go there. Gold. But I need a backpack. Wait, oh, I got that. And better, that will be good. That's not good. What was that? We got something good. I got. I don't have free. Okay. Hey, what tomorrow is this? Oh. Okay, chicken. We need this. Okay, guys. We just go. Down. Okay. Okay. I don't have that. Okay. Let's see. Guys, with my day, I just lost it. The rest I take is. Wait. Good iron. If I find good irons, I can get them. They come down that. Yes, they do nothing. Okay, I'm gonna do where I green one again. No, there's a different one. Where I green one. Okay, guys, I just got blind. This is what you get for trying to do whatever green was. Me. I just did. Okay. Eager. We need to mind that with it. We need backpack. Wait, where did I go? Oh, umbrella. It's an umbrella. A banana. And a daddy. I don't need this. And another thing. I don't. Huh? I want to grab onto it if I want to. No, I need my first one. Wait, I just... It did that to me. No. I was supposed to shoot that way my door. Huh? No, you don't need that. That's good iron to know where that time being taken. But I don't need that. I do. I do need it. It being It's been 34 minutes. I didn't get enough 34 minutes. Oh, because I was no one. 34 minutes again. Okay, but in all that scene, just in case I'm not. This banana, I will see work because I never did get a backpack. No. So, I don't know what his name. That's why I killed him. Just die. What his name? Let me see. Let me see your name. Oh, Coda, I think. Oh, Coca. Like coconut. Thank you for mining for me. Anyway, I'll point out there just in case. I never got hit by these guys. Oh, I killed him. Let me see me. Let me see you. Oh. I hear a bomb. I don't. Yay! Thank you. Good idea. Got nothing good. That means I have to go this way. Like I did last time. Yes, thank you. We for the biggest jump, down here, we're going to that figure up, but naked. You have to find items to take, like backpack. This 2 times, yeah. It went down. Figure up. First, I have to complete this obby. I'm so happy I'm not dying. I think I'm so good at this game. I think we need to jump in that hole. I just doing it. I don't know of that color. It is. Yeah. Ooh, you on that pipe? I wuggy. Ha. Listen to me. That did nothing. If I cannot find that green crystal, it's down here, I think. And not down here. Okay, 2 years game. It is down here. I found a new iron. And not new. I mean, I found a now fast one. I need that one. That's not a fast ride I'm supposed to take. That is going to show me, I think, because I cannot. Yes, I cannot take. Oh, it moved. That means I'm able to take it. I just don't know how to take it. I cannot take it. I think that just a fast right way to play around. It doesn't when we grab onto it. Only this one. I don't need my fast right anyway, because I'm able to see in here. I pushed to grab onto the green crystal. I'm not lucky because I don't have a backpack. But we're doing a naked one. We keep getting coins and nuts and our diamonds. That big chunk. Imagine I have a backpack. One more hit. No, this one will hit. just big chunk. That just got me a big boost. Grab. Wait, I did a magic trick. I just could do a magic trick. And I'll get mine these. I saw a magic trick on YouTube. Every time, you know your mind, that thing just move. When you tap it 2 times, that it doesn't move. It doesn't move. When you tap it too much, it does move. I think they patched it. I almost touched that. I'm happy my health was up. I hit that 2 times in a row. 2 times. No way I just did that. Nope. Oh. I was forgetting all that. I was what? It did not see me. I did that 2 times. Do. Okay. I'm just going to touch this. And I go. Mo and touchdown. Mo, they not going go nothing to be in my way. How many coins I got? No, I mean. Oh. Okay, guys. I will see you soon, and like and sub to me. I try to hit 50 subs or 100. Bye, and guys, one more thing. I will do that. Backpack on me, and my fast way. As we buy one, and we go sell that they say half. My game was so active for a second. This how much? I think 5 times. No, it's just cheap. Okay, guys, bye, and like and sub to me.